Welcome to my creative channel, where you all learn about alphabets.
A for apple. Apple means seb.
B for ball.
C for cat. Cat means Billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. Hathi means elephant.
F for fish.
Machali. G for goat.
H is for hat. Hat means topi.
I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream.
J for joker. Joker means joker.
K for kite. Kite means patang.
L. L is for lion. Lion.
M for mango. Mango means
N is for next. Next means hosla.
O for orange. Orange means santra.
P. P is for parrot. Parrot means total.
Q for queen. Queen means Rani.
R for rat means chuha.
S for ship. Ship means Jehaj.
T for tiger. Tiger means bhag.
U for umbrella. Umbrella means chata.
V for ven. Ven means ven.
W for watch. Watch means gadi.
X for X-ray. X-ray means X-ray.
Y for yak. Yak means pahadi ghoda.
Z is for zebra.